Alright, here's another bike check. I changed a few things, because, I don't know, I found some new things about my bike that, like, the dropouts on my forks aren't 3/8, they're 14mm, which was kind of weird, but, yeah, so, here it is. First thing, like usual, I got the ODI grips and bar ends. My Primo Sasquatch bars, 8.5 rise, 28 wide. Primo Kamikaze V2 forks. Yeah, took the stickers off. Stone Thermalite peg. I only have one because I was practicing hang fives. That's why my seat's raised too. I normally don't have that, but yeah, Sun front rim. Animal GLH 2.25 tire. Let's see. Fit headset. Fit Aitken S3 frame. Duo stem with the Primo compression cap. Stock Fit seat. Odyssey Mr. Clampy seat clamp. United plastic pedals. Fit cranks. My other cranks broke. Shadow Scream sprocket with a Shadow interlock chain. This is a 25-2 sprocket. Let's see. What else? The back thing. It's like a Kimlin double wall back rim laced to a Eastern 2.9er hub with a Shadow undertone tire 2.1. Yeah, that's my bike. Sorry I haven't posted videos in a while because I crashed and bruised my ribs. I thought I broke them, but I didn't. But yeah, went over the dirt doubles and landed with my bars in my ribs. So yeah, but anyway, yeah, that's my bike check. And yeah.